The HP DesignJet T650 is a perfect blend of performance and style, making it the go-to inkjet printer for graphic design. In today's era of design excellence, HP ensures that this plotter color printer becomes an indispensable tool, bringing your graphic design visions to life with stunning detailed prints. If you value precision engineering, user-friendly features, and impressive color rendering tailored for graphic design projects, this review will delve into why the T650 stands out from the competition. The HP DesignJet T650 plotter color printer is the ultimate choice for graphic design in the ever-evolving realm of creative design in 2024. The DesignJet T650 effortlessly caters to your printing needs, with the ability to handle media sizes up to 36 inches wide for large format projects, as well as sheets up to 13 inches by 19 inches. Professionals will appreciate its versatility, as the included automatic sheet feeder accessory streamlines the printing process. This space-efficient marvel provides ample room for your imagination to flourish, to its compact dimensions of 23.8 x 51.9 x 36.7 inches. Setting it apart from other products is its remarkable ink-saving feature, reducing regular maintenance ink usage by 95%. Not only does this innovation outshine its competitors, but it also delivers significant cost savings and leaves a smaller carbon footprint in its wake. The printer offers seamless connectivity options such as Gigabit Ethernet, 1000 base T, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11, ensuring maximum flexibility and convenience for all graphic printing needs. With lightning-fast print speeds, it can produce an A1/D size page in just 25 seconds. Moreover, its impressive 1 GB memory ensures smooth handling of even the most intricate projects. The DesignJet T650 sets a new standard for efficiency and performance, delivering exceptional results every time. The HP DesignJet T650 is an impressive inkjet printer that serves as a go-to choice for graphic design. Seamlessly blending performance and style, it becomes an indispensable tool for transforming graphic design visions into reality. In the era of design sophistication, the T650 stands out with its precision engineering, user-friendly features, and remarkable color rendering capabilities. If you're interested in this plotter color printer, check out the link in the description box below.